Okay, are we ready? This one's lots of wiggling, lots and lots of waist work. So, relax the shoulders, tummy in, arms up and down, up, down. Now we push to each side, up and down again. 2 steps. Happy with that? Let's add an arm.